Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Coinbase wallet in 2025 the right way. Whether you want to cash out your bank or send crypto to another exchange, I've got you covered, step by step and beginner friendly. Let's get started. First thing first, Coinbase wallet is different from the Coinbase app. If you are sitting in the friend's Coinbase wallet, you can directly withdraw them to your bank. You will need to send them to your main Coinbase account first. To do that, open your Coinbase wallet app. To find the crypto you want like withdraw, like Ethereum or Bitcoin, and tap send. Send the wallet address of your Coinbase account. You can find that address by opening a regular Coinbase app, tap receive, and select the same crypto. Paste the address into your wallet, confirm the amount, pay the gas fee, and send it. Now, switch to the Coinbase. Once the crypto arrives, this usually takes a few minutes depending on the network. Tap sell to convert your crypto into your local currency like USD or Euro. After that, go to My Asset. Tap your cash balance and hit cash out. Choose your linked bank account or debit card, enter the amount, and confirm. Most standard bank withdrawals takes 1 up to 3 business days, but instant withdrawals to debit card may be available with a small fee. And that's it. Your crypto is now real world cash in your bank. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more smart finance and crypto how-to videos. See you in the next one.